No way.
6'7".
That is the funniest Christmas shirt I've ever seen.
Right.
If you know, you know.
I got it online. You have to get one before they sell out.
Look, if you want the best shirt at the holiday party, this is it. Trust me, everyone who's on the internet will get it. Go grab one now.
Okay, we are that couple now, and we're obsessed.
Yep, best Christmas shirt of the year. You guys have to get these for your holiday photos.
Do it.
This shirt really captures a refined Christmas feel. The floral details are quite charming, it's comfortable, and a perfect.
I absolutely adore this design. The floral Mary is so unique and chic, and the little bows are just perfect.
These shirts are so festive and elegant.
Yeah, definitely a step up from the usual. Perfect for all our holiday dinners and outings.
We love them.
Girls, I am so ready for my holiday plans. All booked for Christmas, get it. This is the perfect shirt for any book lover.
My students absolutely love this shirt. The book tree is great, but the pun is even better. It's well made, comfortable, and a perfect conversation.
All booked for Christmas. This is perfect. It's literally my holiday plan. See?
The perfect gift for the bookworm in your life.
Go get one.
My wife has been hinting about this shirt for a month. She loves the design, the glitter, the bow. She's gonna be so excited.
Okay, where did you get that shirt? The glitter and that bow. It's the cutest Christmas shirt.
I know, right? I found it online. You have to get one.
I just got the cutest shirt for the holidays. If you're like me and you love a more modern boho Christmas vibe, this is it.
Okay, I love your shirt. The trees are so artistic. It's not the usual cheesy stuff. Right, I found it online. It's so soft. You should get one before they're gone.
I have to admit, I actually really like these. My wife picked them out. They're not over the top, just really cool and modern, perfect for us.
Get them. Oh. Is it here yet? My Christmas loading shirt is #this close to being full. Seriously, it's the perfect shirt for—
That's the most accurate shirt for this month.
I know, right? It's the official uniform for December. It's super soft too. You all need one for your holiday parties.
This is the only loading screen I'm actually excited about. This shirt is awesome. It's almost time. Go grab yours so you can be ready for the main event.
Callie, I absolutely love this snowman shirt. It's not just a cartoon, it's like a beautiful watercolor painting. It's so soft too. It's my new
This is fantastic. I love this. It's got that classic storybook snowman feel. It's perfect.
We got these
Best
matching
gift.
shirts for our holiday days.
Yep, and they're awesome. Super comfy, and the design is so cool and artistic. You guys should get some.
Bus, fire truck, fire truck, fire truck.
You like the fire truck, don't you?
How cool is this design? A Christmas tree made of vehicles. You can get yours now.
Okay, but how cool is this shirt? I wanted something festive, but like me. This is totally me. You guys have to get one for your holiday parties. These shirts are literally the most fun, festive thing ever.
Yeah, definitely beats a boring old sweater. Get ready to stand out.
Look, if you're tired of the same old ugly Christmas sweaters, this is the vibe. Peace, bubblegum, Santa.
Oh my gosh, where did you get that shirt? Santa with bubblegum? That is everything, right? I found it online. It's my official party shirt for the season.
You have to get one.
Okay, you're not as cool as Santa.
But this shirt is. Seriously, best Christmas shirt ever. Go get yours.
Look, if you're trying to win the best shirt award at the Christmas party, this is it. Trust me, everyone who's cool will get the joke. Go grab one now.
Okay, we are that couple now, and we're obsessed.
Yep, best Christmas shirt of the year. You guys have to get these for your holiday photos.
Do it.
No way. 6'7"? That is the most hilarious Christmas shirt.
Right. If you know, you know. I got it online. You have to get one.